Welcome to our 2025 February newsletter. The main highlights in the newsletter are: wishing you a happy Chinese New Year. UCO sales bounce back. Argus releases updated biofuels guide. Wishing you a happy Chinese New Year. Embracing the spirit of a fresh beginning, let's welcome the Lunar New Year with open arms. To all our valued partners, clients, stakeholders, and the dedicated team at Huaibei Xinxing Huangyuan New Energy and Technology Company, Limited, we send warm regards and best wishes. 2025 is the year of the snake in the Chinese zodiac. It starts from January 29, 2025, Chinese New Year, and ends on February 16, 2026, Chinese New Year's Eve. This year is specifically the year of the wood snake. The snake is the animal that comes after the dragon in the Chinese zodiac, and it has a very different personality and vibe. The dragon is flashy and energetic, but the snake is mysterious and subtle. The snake brings a new influence that is more refined and elegant. In 2025, the Chinese zodiac will enter the year of the wood snake, which is the 32nd cycle of the 60-year lunar calendar. The snake is the sixth animal in the zodiac, and it has a complex and mysterious nature. Generally speaking, the snake represents wisdom, knowledge, intelligence, intuition, and creativity. Snakes are also associated with good luck, prosperity, fertility, and longevity. In some legends, snakes are considered to be divine messengers or guardians of sacred places. Snakes are also revered for their ability to shed their skin and renew themselves, symbolizing transformation and rebirth. Each snake year has a different element, which gives it a different flavor and meaning. The wood snake is a charming, intelligent, and creative sign, but also secretive, cunning, and sometimes ruthless. May this year be filled with moments of serenity and self-reflection, paving the way for exciting avenues of partnership and growth. Your unwavering trust in us is the cornerstone of our shared success, and we eagerly anticipate reaching new heights and accomplishments side by side in the year ahead. Here's to a promising journey together towards greater achievements in 2025. UCO sales bounce back. Despite tax rebate cancellations for used cooking oil, our UCO sales have returned to normal this month following diligent negotiation and cooperation with our clients. This marks a significant step in maintaining supply chain stability and demonstrates that our renewable fuel markets remain resilient to external changes. This return to normalcy demonstrates the crucial role UCO plays in the transition to a sustainable future by providing a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. UCOs reduce carbon emissions, minimize environmental waste, and promote circular economy principles. As demands for biofuels grows, UCO continues to be a key feedstock, helping industries worldwide meet their sustainability goals. Argus releases updated biofuels guide. In January 2025, Argus published its updated biofuel methodology and specifications guide, setting new industry benchmarks for biofuel production and trading. This latest edition provides detailed insights into regulatory changes, pricing structures, and sustainability metrics that impact the global biofuel sector. As a leading UCO supplier, we are closely monitoring these updates. Our main focus will be on the feedstock market in Asia and Pacific areas, especially in the UCO export and brown grease export for China, which represents a significant untapped resource in the region. With cutting-edge facilities spanning 33,000 square meters, Huaibei Xinxing Huangyuan New Energy and Technology stands at the forefront of the biodiesel industry. Our advanced production line processes up to 100,000 tons of used cooking oil, UCO, annually, along with waste vegetable or animal oil biodiesel, WVO/WAO biodiesel, and industrial-grade blended oil, IGBO. In addition, in collaboration with the prestigious Chinese Academy of Sciences, we have established a dedicated R&D center for biodiesel and biomaterials. This partnership ensures we remain on the cutting edge of sustainable energy innovation. Huaibei Xinxing Huangyuan, XXHY, is taking a bold step forward with the construction of its second production line. This new facility is designed to produce a range of innovative bio-based chemical agents, including plasticizers, nucleating agents, coupling agents, and chain extenders. These advanced products are critical for various industrial applications, offering sustainable alternatives to traditional petroleum-based chemicals. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and its partnership with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, XXHY aims to not only enhance production efficiency but also set new benchmarks for environmental responsibility in the biochemical sector. Thanks again for taking the time to read our newsletter. Looking ahead, We remain optimistic that the evolving business and governmental policy environment will stabilize, allowing both our clients and XXHY to resume normal operations seamlessly. I am also eager to explore any potential opportunities for collaboration as we navigate these changes together. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to reach out to us directly.